Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. I know from the past few days I wasn't consistent in while recording. Let's get to the topic now. The topic is: would you rather be a worried genius or a joyful simpleton? Would you rather be a worried genius or a joyful simpleton? Would do I want to be a worried genius or a joyful person? Maybe if you would have asked me the same question few years ago, I would have chosen genius person. Right? As a genius person, you can do many things. You can make people's life easier and many more things. But right now, I come to believe that the primary purpose of life is to enjoy life, to live a life for you. The first so that is why I will choose to be a simple than a joyful person, because that would allow me to enjoy life, that would allow me to live a healthy life. If I'm happy, I wouldn't mind being not a like highly genius person. If I'm a happy person, then with that I can do so many things. I can keep other people happy that's around me. So I think that would serve a lot more purpose than a worried genius. So why I so that is why I think I would like to be a simple and joyful person, uh, because it can keep happy people around me. Second, I would be able to enjoy life. So these are the two things that would make me happy. Thank you. Over to you.